Because majority, if not all of them, they would like to have our vehicles here. Gusto ko involve sila lahat eh. So, dahil nandito na tayo, Rotary Center, dito na natin gawin. Unless otherwise may conflict of schedule and then we do it in some other venues available. Okay, so are we ready for the fellowship? I now call today's Philippines to adjourn. Fellowship follows. Nagulat ako dun sa kay Susan tayo. Is it okay with you kung dito rin tayo sa Maple Street? Okay ba? Are we good here?
Yes! Sobrang lamig lang.
Kasi bahay naman natin ito eh. And
Sobrang lamig.
At the same time, yung ating staff, si Carmela, palakpakan by life, palakpakan si Matt, ito ang nasa behind the scene. Behind the scene. And of course, yung nakasyadow sa akin parati, Special Assistant to the Governor, Francis Pangilinan. Mamaya, pagalitan ako yan, mahirap na. They need servants who are committed. At the end of the day, remember our motto, service above self. Because when service becomes our hobby, impact becomes our legacy. Thank you, and let's continue to be the hands and hearts that make hope real in our communities. Magandang gabi po, and let's enjoy tonight. Thank you. Reason of existence in Rotary. Eh, totoo yung sabi niya. Not to the point naman that you have to resign because you don't have the best experience. But at least in your heart, you should know your reason for doing it. Okay, hindi pa po yun ang message ko. I just